plus or minus. So because you cannot under any circumstances have a negative under a square root sign, we're going to use our special letter I. When you have a negative under a square root, you use I to take it out to make it a usual square root. So we're going to put it over here. 5 plus or minus I square root of 31. Because 31 does not have a square root or any number that goes into it, so we have to leave it under the radical. So now we'll deal with the denominator, which you use a times 2. Our a is 1, so that'll leave us with the 2. Now nothing can be, 2 does not go into 5, nor does it go into 31, so this is our final answer. Okay, so our next lesson is going to be rationals while solving zeros. So to me this is the easiest because it takes one simple step. So you're going to look at your top number and you're going to set it to 0. So when setting it to 0, you're always going to want to take the number without the x or the variable and bring it to the other side. You want to stay away from x's, but stay with positive people and numbers. So you're going to bring this number over, and I will give you 3x equals negative 8. So now you're going to want to bring the 3 over. Your ex's girlfriend trying to break up with them. So you're going to divide 3 by each side, and I will give you x equals negative 8 over 3. And that's your answer. Then you're going to plot on your graph, or you can put the whole thing into your calculator and plot on your graph, which will be shown now. Okay, so this is the calculator technique to finding rationals with zeros on graphs. So you're going to go to y equals, as you always do when looking for something on a graph. You're going to push alpha y equals. That will give you the option to put something in your calculator as a true fraction. So you're going to put in the numerator, 3x plus 8. Scroll down to the denominator, which is x plus 5. You're going to arrow out. Then you will push the graph button, seen over here. And it will show you your lines on your graph. Now after this, you will push second graph. That will take you to the table. So now you're going to just kind of scroll looking for your answer. Now here we go. On 16 it says 8 over 3. And this is your answer. So, in conclusion, what we need to remember for the quadratic formula, remember your formula, most important thing. But we also can remember the ABC method, Jackson 5 style, and the back method. For rationals, just remember to set the numerator to 0. As long as you do that, you'll be fine. Logarithms, your best bet is to put it in the calculator because it's easiest. You don't have to worry about setting the base and all of that. Just put it straight in your calculator. Tutorial by Kiana Kingeisha. Thank you.